Hello, my friend! How to use the mistakes and struggles of my past. Last class we talked about the importance to focus in the present. But if you want to learn with mistakes and struggles of your past, you can do it too. Here is how. Concentrate in the lessons you've learned. If you have overcome hard times, concentrate in what you have learned with the experience. Some of the best lessons in life can be learned when we evaluate the hard times we have had. Stick to the facts, not the emotions. Thinking about bad things can generate anxiety, because probably you will concentrate in how you felt. But take the situation, can be a funeral, a sad moment, and concentrate in the facts, where you sat, who you talked to, who was there. Try to make a difference between emotions and facts. Look the situation from a different perspective. When you analyze your past, find out if there are other ways to see the same situation. The same fact can be told in different forms and still be truth. See how you can see it differently. In Portuguese, faça as pazes com o seu passado. Comment here about a challenge you have overcome in your life. I want to read your comment. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. The problems of repeating the same mistakes. I have repeated a mistake with money